Today we are going to learn about how to use the VLOOKUP in advance. So little bit later you will understand what is the use of this advanced lookup formula. Let me write a lookup formula equal to lookup. Now here it is asking the lookup value. My lookup value is the employee ID, and here it is asking the table array. Let me select the table array from top to bottom. Let me lock the cells. For locking the cell, F4, comma. Here it is asking the column index numbers. So column index number, what do you want? Now we want department and gender, annual salary. So the department is 4th and gender is the 6th, as well as annual salary. The annual salary is in the 9th position, in the 9th index columns. So we want to get these details at a time. So let me open the curly bracket. Now we want department. The department index column is 4. Now we want to print gender. Gender is on the 6th index column and annual salary is on 9th index. Let me close the curly bracket, comma. Now let me enter false. I'm closing the bracket. Just I'm hitting enter. See how easy it is. So that is the reason I said it is advanced VLOOKUP formula. This VLOOKUP formula, it will be available only in the Office 365 days. So even the XVLOOKUP also, it will not help over here. If you want to learn more about the advanced lookup formulas, I have one more video which I have done the earlier. Just you can watch it. If you are not subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel and like it, share it. Thanks for the watching video. Let me drive down this one.